Now, good morning, students. Yesterday, I told you question number exercise 4A 1 to 6 question. Today, I will tell you question number 7, 8, 9. And the question number 7 is compare right smaller or greater. Here which number is greater and which number is smaller. So we put here the sign. So here these two numbers are positive integer. So 13 is greater. So we put the sign here. 13 is a greater. Because the open face of this sign is always greater side. Should be greater side. So here minus 13 minus 17 and minus 7. Here both integers are negative integer. So minus 17 is smaller than minus 7. Minus 7 is greater. So this minus 7 is greater. Yesterday I told you. Look at here once again. This is a suppose graph 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 2. This is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. If any numbers are written in the right hand side, that number is greater than the left hand side. So here minus 7 and 17. Suppose this is minus 7, minus 8 and next number is minus 17. Minus 17 is written here left side to the minus 7. So minus 17 is smaller than minus 7. So minus 17 is the smallest number and minus 7 is a greater integer. So because this is written in the left hand side. So my dear students, here also, so minus 23 and minus 32. So minus 23 is greater. Now here 0 and 48, minus 48. 0 is greater than, 0 is always greater than the negative integers. Here this is a negative integer, so 0 is greater than minus 48. Now minus 15 and 15. This is a negative integer and this is a positive integer. So positive integer is greater than the negative integers. So minus 18 and 1. Minus 18 is smaller than 1. So question number 7 is completed, students. Now the question number 8. Here, question number 8 is arrange the following set of integers in ascending order. Here we write here in the ascending order. How we write in the ascending order? Ascending order, we write first we write the smallest number, then we write the greater number. Means we increase smaller to greater. So we write here first we write here the smallest number. Ascending order, which is the smallest number? Dear student, look at here. Here minus 3, 0, minus 7, 5, 2. These two numbers are negative integer. So these numbers are smallest. So minus 7, first we write here minus 7. Then we write here minus 3, comma. Then we write here 0. Then we write here 2. After 2 we write here 5. This is your answer, my dear students. Okay. Now the next question. Which is the smallest? Minus 5. So first we write here minus 5, comma. Then minus 4, comma. Then 0, comma. Then 6. Then 9, then 10. This is your answer, dear students. Now the third question. Third is, first we write which number first we write? This first we write here minus 43 because this is the smallest number. After minus 43 we write here minus 21. After minus 21 minus 18. Minus 18 after 4. After 4 12. After 12 34. This is your answer, students. Okay, now this question is completed, my dear students. This is the smallest, we write here smaller to greater. So in the question number 9, arrange the following set of integers in descending order. In the question number 8, we write here in the ascending order. Just opposite is the descending order. We write here in the descending order, and descending order, first we write here the greater number, then we write the smallest. We move greater to smaller. So first we write here the greater. Which is greater number? 15 is a greater number. So first we write here 15. After 15, 8. After 8, 0. After 0, minus 2. After minus 2, minus 10 and minus 15. This is your answer, dear students. Now the next question, which is greater? 64. So first we write here 64. After 64, we write here 42. Yes, 42. After 42, we write here 4. Yes. After 4, we write here 0. After 0, we write here minus 3. After minus 3, minus 26. And last one is minus 50. You count how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now check your numbers. Can we write here 7 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So not numbers are here. We will not leave any numbers. So now the question number 3rd, students. First we write a small greater number. So 82 is the greatest number. So we write here 82. After 82 we write here 80. After 80 we write here 18. After 18 we write here minus 25. After 25 minus 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what numbers are we here? So which number? Check 82, 80. Yes, minus 90. Not right here. Then minus 90. This is your answer, my dear student. Now the question number 9 is solved. Now yes, my dear students, question number 10. Question number 10, write any 5 integers less than minus 12. So, less than minus 12 means we write here the integers smaller than minus 12. So, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16 and minus 17. All these integers are less than minus 12. Now the second 8 integers just greater than minus 6. So greater than, in this question we write here less than minus 12. But in this question we write here the greater than minus 6. So we increase the right hand side. Minus 6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the question number 11. Write the absolute value of each of the following. So my dear students, this is the bar bracket. We say this line is the bar bracket. So this is a, so the absolute value of an integer is always positive, whether the integers is positive or negative. Always, if suppose this is -7, this is the bar bracket, the value of -7 is always positive integers. And if suppose this is a 7, so this is also the value of this 7 is 7 means the value of absolute value is always the positive integers. So we write here the absolute value of 5. This is already in the positive integer, so the answer is only 5. -7, this is the negative integer, but answer is positive integer, so we write here 7. -64, we write here 64. 0 equal 0, and this is the bar line. So 70, 100, 70, 100 minus 70, 100, so equal 70, 100. And here the sign of -6 and bracket outside this sign is minus also. So the value of this -6 is plus, and this minus is also here, so the sign of this minus is also in the plus, because the answer is always the value of absolute value is always the positive integer. So answer is 6. So my dear students, this question is completed. Now that tomorrow I will tell you question number 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, dear students. So today exercise 4.8, I told you question number 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, students. Okay, thank you dear, thank you so much.